Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English 24 channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Lily.
Hello, Lily. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Learn English 24 channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Lily.
Hello, Lily. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here. I already feel excited.
Today's lesson is very practical and very important. We are going to practice how to describe your hometown in English.
Yes, this is a topic people often ask about in real life, during interviews, travel, online chats, or even when making new friends.
Exactly. And don't worry, listeners, we will use simple English, natural sentences, and daily conversation style.
So by the end of this lesson, you'll feel more confident talking about where you come from.
What is a hometown?
Let's start with a simple question. What does hometown mean? A hometown is the place where you were born or where you grew up.
Perfect. Now, listeners, you can remember this sentence. My hometown is the place where I grew up.
Simple and clear. Now, Lily, where is your hometown?
My hometown is a small town near the river. It's quiet and peaceful.
Nice. You just used two great describing words, quiet and peaceful.
Basic sentence structure. Listeners, let's learn an easy structure you can use. My hometown is plus adjective. For example, my hometown is small. My hometown is beautiful. My hometown is busy.
Let me give some examples too. My hometown is crowded but lively. My hometown is modern and clean.
Very good. Listeners, you don't need long sentences. Short sentences are perfect for daily conversation.
Talking about size. Lily, is your hometown big or small?
It's quite small. Everyone knows each other.
That's a great sentence. Everyone knows each other.
Listeners, you can say, my hometown is small, my hometown is medium-sized, my hometown is large.
And if it's very big, you can say, my hometown is a big city.
Talking about location. Alex, location is also important. How can we talk about location?
You can say where your hometown is. For example, it's in the north of the country. It's near the sea. It's close to the mountains.
Good examples. Listeners, try this sentence. My hometown is located in the south of my country.
Or a simpler one, my hometown is near the capital city.
Practice time, listener practice. Okay, listeners, now it's your turn. Pause the video and say this out loud. My hometown is blank.
Yes, fill in the blank with one word. Small, big, beautiful, busy, or peaceful.
Speaking out loud is very important. Don't be shy.
Remember, mistakes are part of learning.
Talking about people. Alex, how can we describe the people in our hometown?
You can say, the people are friendly, the people are kind, the people are helpful.
Great. My sentence would be, the people in my hometown are very friendly.
That's a perfect daily conversation sentence.
Natural conversation example. Let's do a short natural conversation.
Okay,
Alex, can you tell me about your hometown?
sure. My hometown is a medium-sized city. It's busy, but the people are friendly.
That sounds nice. Is it a good place to live?
Yes, it is. There are many shops, parks, and cafes.
Listeners, did you notice Alex used simple English, not difficult words?
Quick review.
Let's quickly review what we learned today.
We learned how to say what your hometown is, describe its size, talk about location, describe the people.
That's a lot already for one lesson.
And this is only part 1.
Welcome back. Now let's continue. Alex, weather is a very common topic. How can we describe the weather in our hometown?
Yes, people often ask, what's the weather like in your hometown?
Exactly. You can answer with simple sentences like, it's hot most of the year. It's cold in winter. It's warm and sunny.
Let me give an example. My hometown has hot summers and mild winters.
That sounds very natural. Talking about nature and environment.
Lily, what about nature? Many hometowns are famous for nature.
Yes, you can talk about rivers, mountains, beaches, or trees.
For example, there is a river near my hometown. My hometown is surrounded by mountains. There are many green parks.
My sentence would be, my hometown is very green with many trees and parks.
Listeners, notice how easy that sentence is.
Talking about food. Alex, food is my favorite topic. How do we talk about food from our hometown?
You can say, my hometown is famous for traditional food. The food is spicy, sweet, or delicious.
Great. Here's my example. My hometown is famous for its local street food.
And I can say, people from other cities come to try our food.
Listeners, food is a great way to make your description interesting. Talking about lifestyle.
Now, let's talk about lifestyle. Lily, is life fast-paced or slow in your hometown?
Life is slow and relaxed. People don't rush too much.
That's a nice way to describe it. You can say, life is fast-paced. Life is relaxed. People enjoy a simple life.
Listeners, try this sentence. Life in my hometown is simple and peaceful.
Daily conversation practice. Let's do another natural conversation example.
Okay,
Lily, what do you like most about your hometown?
I like the peaceful environment and friendly people.
What about the weather?
The weather is pleasant most of the year.
That sounds like a lovely place to live.
Thank you. I feel proud of my hometown.
Useful expressions to remember. Listeners, here are some useful expressions. Repeat after me. I come from a small town. My hometown is known for its beauty. It's a great place to grow up.
Very good. These sentences are perfect for interviews and introductions.
Common mistakes to avoid.
Alex, let's talk about mistakes learners often make.
Good idea. One common mistake is using very long, confusing sentences.
Yes, remember, simple English is powerful English.
Another mistake is being afraid to speak.
Listeners, confidence is more important than perfection.
Mini speaking challenge.
Here's a small challenge for you.
Try to speak for 30 seconds about your hometown using simple sentences.
Talk about size, weather, people, food.
You can pause the video and try now.
Quick review.
So today we talked about weather, nature, food, lifestyle.
You're doing great, listeners. Step by step, your English is improving.
And we still have more to learn in the next part.
Welcome back again. Now, Alex, many hometowns are famous for special places. How can learners talk about that?
That's easy. You can mention landmarks or popular spots.
For example, my hometown has a famous park. There is a historic temple. It's known for a beautiful lake.
Let me try one. My hometown is famous for its old market.
Very natural. Listeners, you don't need to know big history words. Simple descriptions are enough.
Talking about transportation.
Transportation is another daily life topic.
Yes, people often ask, is it easy to travel there?
You can answer like this. Public transport is good. Buses are cheap and convenient. Everything is close.
My example. It's easy to get around my hometown.
Short and perfect.
Talking about education and work.
Alex, some people want to talk about schools or jobs in their hometown.
Right. You can say there are good schools. Many people work in business or farming. It's a good place for students.
Here's a simple sentence. Many students come to my hometown for education.
Listeners, notice again, clear and simple.
Expressing feelings about your hometown. Alex, how do you feel about your hometown?
I feel proud of my hometown. It's part of who I am.
That's beautiful. You can say, I love my hometown. I feel proud of my hometown. I miss my hometown.
My sentence. No matter where I go, I always miss my hometown.
Listeners, emotional sentences make your English sound more natural.
Longer conversation practice.
Let's practice a longer conversation.
Sure.
Can you describe your hometown in a little more detail?
Of course. My hometown is a small and peaceful place. It has friendly people and beautiful nature.
Is it a good place for families?
Yes, it is. It's safe, quiet, and good for children.
That sounds wonderful.
How to compare past and present.
Alex, learners often want to talk about how their hometown has changed.
Yes, you can say, in the past, it was very quiet. Now it's more developed.
Example sentence. My hometown has changed a lot over the years.
And another one. There are more buildings and roads now.
Practice for listeners. Listeners, try answering this question out loud. Describe your hometown.
Take your time. Even 2 or 3 sentences are great.
Speaking regularly is the key to confidence.
Useful vocabulary recap.
Let's recap some useful words. Peaceful, busy, friendly, famous, proud.
Try to use at least one of these when you speak today.
Motivation before the final part.
You're doing really well, listeners.
Yes, if you can describe your hometown, you can start many conversations in English.
And now we're ready for the final part.
Welcome to the final part of today's lesson. Alex, every hometown is special in its own way. How can learners explain that?
They can talk about memories, emotions, or simple daily life.
Yes, for example, my hometown is special to me because my family lives there.
Or I have many happy childhood memories in my hometown.
Listeners, emotional reasons make your English sound real and human.
Describing hometown in 1 minute.
Now let's practice a 1-minute hometown description.
Good idea. I'll go first.
My hometown is a small, peaceful place. The people are friendly and life is simple. I love the quiet mornings and fresh air. It will always feel like home to me.
That was perfect. Simple, clear, and emotional.
Listeners, you don't need difficult words. Just speak from your heart.
Listener's speaking challenge.
Now, it's your turn.
Try to talk for 1 full minute about your hometown.
Use these points: where it is, what it's like, why you like it.
Pause the video and try now.
Common real-life questions.
People often ask these questions in real life.
Yes, such as, where are you from? What's your hometown like? Do you miss your hometown?
Now, listeners, you know how to answer all of them confidently.
Final encouragement. Describing your hometown helps you connect with people.
And it helps you practice real, useful English.
You've learned how to describe places, people, feelings, and memories.
That's a big step forward.
Final reflection. Provided script, used exactly. Alex, When you think quietly, what good news do you feel inside?
I feel thankful. I feel hopeful. And I feel happy that we are learning English together.
That's beautiful. Sometimes the best good news is peace of mind.
Exactly. And listeners, remember, your English doesn't have to be perfect.
Progress is good news. Every word you learn is good news.
Final message to listeners. If you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future lessons.
That's right. And please share this episode with anyone you know who is also learning English.
It would mean a lot to us, and we'd love to hear from you.
So please leave a comment below telling us about your day in English or any other topics you'd like us to talk about in the future.
Yes, we read your comments and truly appreciate your feedback.
So, until next time, keep practicing your English and have a wonderful day. Bye, everyone. Bye, Alex.
Bye, everyone. Bye, Lily.